हेलो बच्चों, अजय तिवारी एकेडमी में आपका एक बार फिर से हार्दिक हार्दिक स्वागत है। बोर्ड तैयारियों के सीरीज में आज जो हम वीडियो तैयार करने वाले हैं, यह वीडियो है ट्रू और फॉल्स वाले क्वेश्चन, राइट और रॉन्ग करके भी ये क्वेश्चंस आते हैं साइंस 1 का। कह रहा है इफ द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू मासेस इज डबल द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स बिटवीन देम बिकम लेस देन द प्रीवियस फोर्स। ये ट्रू है। The CGS unit of G is 9 centimeter square per gram square. ये true है। The value of gravitational acceleration with the center of the earth is 0. True. The value of G is highest at the equator. False. The value of G varies from place to place. False. The speed of release of an object does not depend on the mass of the object. ये true है। mass is qualitative measure of inertia of an object. false है क्योंकि वो quantitative होता है। the similarities between properties of first and eighth element is called the octave rule. true. Drobeniner's triangles यहाँ दे रखा है। Drobeniner's trick, Drobeniner's triad, three elements appear to be arranged in ascending order of their atoms. Atomic mass, यहाँ atoms दे रखा है, atomic mass, ये true है। While designing the periodic table, Mendeleev considered the chemical and physical properties of the elements. True. The modern periodic table has 1 to 7 cycle. Cycle means period. साइकिल यहाँ 1 to 7 पीरियड्स होते हैं, तो ये फॉल्स हो गए। द मॉडर्न पीरियाडिक टेबल शो मॉलिक्यूलर वैल्यूज ऑफ द एलिमेंट इन ईच फ्रेम। फॉल्स। पी सेगमेंट इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ 1 to 2 ग्रुप्स 1 and 2। फॉल्स। पी जो होते हैं वो 13 to 18 होते हैं। To the left of the serpentine line, the periodic table are the metal elements. True. The compound of the element in group 2 is 1. False. Moving from left to right, size of the atom decrease. True. All the elements in halogen family are gases. False. Liquid भी होते हैं, सॉलिड भी होते हैं। द एलिमेंट्स लिथियम एंड बेरिलियम आर इन द सेम साइकिल बिकॉज देयर कंपाउंड्स आर सिमिलर। फॉल्स। बेरिलियम एंड कैल्शियम आर अल्कलाइन मेटल्स। ट्रू। द के एंड एल शेल ऑफ एलिमेंट्स Na and Mg contains electron. True. The number of shells decreases as the calculation goes down from top to bottom. True. The metal properties of element decrease as we move from left to right. True. The size of an atom depend on the number of valence electron. False. Silicon is a metallic element. False. ये है जो है ये मेटलॉइड्स हैं। Properties of the metal increase as it goes down in the group. True. Electrical negativity is the metallic property of element. True. If edible oil kept well for a long time, it will get sour. False. The alternating current is a vibrating current. True. Live wires and neutral wires have 220 वोल्ट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस। ट्रू। यहाँ इलेक्ट्रिकल की जगह लाइव वायर आ जाएगा। इंक्रीजिंग द करंट पासिंग थ्रू द वायर डिक्रीज द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी। फॉल्स। यूज गैल्वेनोमीटर फॉर इलेक्ट्रिकल मेजर। ट्रू। द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ अल्टरनेटिंग करंट इज 50 हर्ट्ज। ट्रू. Electrochemicals are device that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. False. The dew point temperature does not depend on the amount of vapor in the air. False. The specific heat capacity of water is 1 calorie per gram degree Celsius. True. The invisible heat of evaporation is called conversion of gas into liquid. False. Use calorimeter to study the inconsistent behavior of water. False. During reheating, ice converted into water at the temperature 0 degrees Celsius. True. 1 kg of dry air at a temperature 40 degrees Celsius can hold maximum 49 gram of water. True. Water vapor. True. Calorimeter are used to measure specific heat capacity. True. कैलोरी वैल्यू हटा के यहाँ पे आप स्पेसिफिक हीट कैपेसिटी लिख सकते हैं. All metals have the same specific heat capacity. False. Humidity relative to dew point temperature is 100%. True. The unit of absolute humidity is kilogram per meter cube. True. 1 calorie is 4.81 joule. True. The incident rays 4.18 होता है, तो this one will be false. This one will be false. It is false, not true, because the value of 1 calorie is 4.18 joule. The incident rays and refracting rays are on the opposite side of column. True. Purple has the lowest refractive index. False. The speed of light varies in different media. True. Convex magnifying glass is called divergent magnifying glass, and concave magnifying glass is called converging magnifying glass. False. The image of the object in human eye is formed on cross screen. False. ये क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग है. इफ द इंसिडेंट रेज इज पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, देन द रिफ्रेक्टेड रेज passes through the principal focus. True. The image of an object at infinite distance is obtained in a real and smooth form through a convex magnifying glass. False. The power of the magnifying glass depends on the distance of magnifying glass. False. The lens of the eye is flattened when looking at the nearby object. True. For the healthy human eye, distant points is infinite distance. True. Vision defect increase the distance between the lens of the eye and retina of the eye. There are defect in myopia. True. Virtual shape of the object seen by the eye depends on the angle held by the object with eye. True. Electrolysis is used to obtain pure metal from impure metal. True. Ionic compounds are soluble in kerosene. False. Stable ionic compounds conduct electricity. True. Mercury, silver, gold are highly reactive metal. False. In the electrolytic method, a layer of highly active metals is applied to less active metals. False. In electrolyte dissipation method of alumina, the lining of graphite acts as anode. False. It acts as cathode. The electrolysis of alumina combines fluorspar and cryolite to increase the solubility in the precipitation method. False. Cassiterite is a copper metal. False. Diamond is a hard substance. True. Gold and silver are active metal. False. Halogen react with acid. True. Bauxite react with sodium hydroxide in the Bayer process. True. The number of electron in the outermost shell of the carbon is 4. True. Your body is made up of carbon compound. True. Carbon compound contains only free chain of carbon atom. False. Two carbon atom can always form one or two covalent bonds, false. In general, saturated compounds are more reactive than unsaturated compound. ये false हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे गलती से true लिख गया है. This one is false. It is not more reactive than unsaturated. This is false. Benzene is coated unsaturated hydrocarbons, true. Cyclohexane is a branch chain type hydrocarbon, false. As one ascends in any homogeneous category, physical property change gradually, true. There are different common molecules for all members of the halogenous homologous range, false. LPG butane is flammable element in it, true. Substance that can give oxygen to other substance are called particulate matter, false. Potassium permanganate is an oxidizing agent, oxidizing compound in regular use, true. Colorless ethanol is in liquid state at room temperature, true. Ethanol is all soluble in water, true. Ester is sweet smelling dishes, true. False, it is not dish. The speed of liberation on the moon less than the speed on liberation on earth, true. India is the first country to discover existence of water on moon, true. The function of satellite launcher is based on the Newton's second law of motion, false. तो बच्चों, इस वीडियो के जो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स होगा, उस डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में हमने इस के जो है वो भी डाल रखे हैं पीडीएफ, जहां से आप इस वीडियो का आप पीडीएफ डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. आप इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और दूसरे बच्चों की बोर्ड की तैयारी के लिए शेयर भी कर सकते हैं.